Oh, oh, yay! What one? Okay, we'll go straight into this look. We have Can't Stop Won't Stop and our Zickel foundation just to match my skin. I know it looks a bit darker, but then we'll make it lighter with the concealer. So after we blend, we go in the Elegel concealer in Fawn and Toffee. I'm sure this is a mixture, but like I did not show the mixture. I'm sorry about that. We're going to highlight the place we want to pop. We're going to highlight the place we want the light to show. So that's basically chin, forehead, under our eyes, and I like to do the side of my mouth because I crease there. So we blend. It's your choice. You can blend with a brush or blend with a beauty blender. But apparently, I don't know what happened to my beauty blenders, or I was not in the mood. Yeah, don't poke your eyes, baby girl. So we're using our black opal finishing powder, oil control in number 2, light. Yeah. For my shade and you don't like over popping, you can use 03. It's still equally light, but it has more of orange tone, undertone than this one. And me, girl, like to pop. Okay, so I am doing this because I am very oily. So you can go in with your normal face powder, yeah, and rub all around your face. And now I'm trying to sculpt my face a little bit, and that is the Zickel powder palette. Okay, this is actually classic blush palette, but hey girl, you can use anything for your eyes, can't you? Not anything over, like, you understand. So I went into that shade and I'm just basically putting it there. So I just want this to be a very simple look. Very simple. Will I call it cranberry look, or what will I say? I don't even know what color this is. Will I say wine? But I was trying my best to see what I could get out of one shade of color. And now I'm going into that palette. I've forgotten the name. To get the shimmy shade. You can see that it's the same thing, but like I want a little bit of glow. I want a little bit of shine. I want a little bit of, you know. So that's why I went into that shade. And if your shimmy shade is not showing as much as you want, you can spray your brush. And it's not a cut crease. I was just basically laying it there. I didn't cut anything. Like, this is the simplest. You don't understand. I think this is one of the simplest looks I've ever done. And all we're doing right now is just placing the eyeliner. You know, we have to give it some, all those eye looks that when they see you, they'll be like, girl, how did you get this done? And they're not knowing that there's nothing really special, There's nothing so special. But eyeliner gives this kind of look. Like, it just takes a look just from, from 100 to 150. And now we're highlighting. Girl, we're highlighting. I don't even care if I have large pores. I don't care if I have oily skin. But the highlighting will, like, balance your skin and bring back that glow. Do you understand? But I just love to highlight. So I highlight where I want, and I love my forehead or middle head to shine. I don't know if I have a big forehead. You guys help me analyze it. I don't know, and I don't care. And then I'm highlighting the brow bone area of my brows. You look like a pretty doll. Okay, what's inside there is just rose water and water actually. So yes. This lip stain was from Barugu Market. I don't know the name. I just know that I love the color and I had to get it. So I wanted to do all wine, but I was like, no, I changed my mind. And I remembered one that Fumi did, and she was like, tell me if you rock this lip, 2 different lips. Then I was like, okay, I'm going to do it. Hey Fumi, baby girl, if you watch this, hola, I'm doing it now. Okay, so I won't pretend like I didn't know what my hair looked like. We're going to fix it now, okay? Calm down, just calm down, right? And voila. You're my African queen. Oh God, see this beauty, the girl of my dreams. Hey, don't you want this girl? Huh? Don't you wish you could be like this? Don't mind me. I'm just messing around. I'm just so excited. Yeah, And yes, I'm a gel girl. Eco style gel. That is, I don't know what Ikusala is, but what which one it is. I just pick anyone and I just try to fix my hair. I wasn't really going for a sleek look, but I just wanted it to be a little bit more sleek than it is right now. Do you understand? So it will not be so rough, but yet not so sleek. So I wasn't trying to achieve a very sleek, and this is my go-to. Oh my god, you need this gel in your life. Your edges are stubborn, you need the gel in your life. Your hair is stubborn, you need the gel in your life. Your edges don't stay, you need that Gorilla Snot gel in your life. Trust me babes, trust me. Okay, I don't know what I was trying to do here. For my mind, that they do something I don't even understand what I was trying to do here, because at the end of the day, when I tied it, I don't know, just keep that step. And this is my best shoelace for my hair. I have different ones, but this is my best. Oh, that white stuff is from like previous gel. Just don't mind it. Make sure it's equal, then tie it and begin to pull it up. It's pretty simple, pretty simple. Well, make sure when you're tying your hair, please not too tight. Don't give yourself a headache. I know it seems like I'm tying my skull right now, but by the time I get to the top, yeah, I usually losing it a bit. After I've gotten what I want, I go back and losing it a bit. Yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, show friends. I love you guys. See you guys next time, God willing. Amen. Bye. Yeah, you are my African queen. Ooh Lord, just like the sun, light up the earth.